Hey guys, have you ever experienced that no matter how much chain adjustment you do, your gear shift is not very slick on your air-cooled RD350, and also unusual clutch noise. So today, what we are going to investigate is the condition of the clutch basket, the dampers inside. We're going to take a couple of baskets apart, and we will walk you through one of the baskets, particularly where we will take it apart, inspect, replace the dampers, and rivet it, put it all back together. And hopefully, once we are finished, we will also get feedback from the bikers, how they feel about the bike after replacing the dampers. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks.
क्या फोटो का एकदम मस्त फोटोशॉप
बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया ख़राब।
So we are going to inspect this. Before that, we would like to see how much of free rotation it has.
ज़्यादा डाल के आया था ना।
So in order to do the assessment, you have to remove this O-ring. Once you remove the O-ring, then it gives the freedom of movement. Otherwise, this O-ring binds the gear to the basket. Oh, wonderful! All dampers gone. So what we will do is, I'll show you that the worst case basket, what is the degree of freedom. For that, what you can do is use your mobile phone. Go to compass. And you zero the compass this way. 11 degrees. Whereas it should be this much. It should be not more than 2 degrees. But it's going up to 11 degrees, which means all dampers are completely gone. We'll have fun. We'll open it and we'll find out whether this pan is worth eating and this basket is worth opening. Your crank has got torsional vibration. Every time it fires, your crank twists on one side and then it goes back to original position. So it is doing 2 times every 360 degrees. So that micro vibration translates into this motion. So, and obviously then it gets translated here, and then your clutch plates, they are not snug fit, they are just slightly loose. It's constantly hammering. Some of them are worse than others because only few fingers actually does the job of engagement. You can't have contact on all of them. So if you see, some of them have deeper groove than the others, which means they are doing most of the work. Some of them remains untouched because size wise there is a lot of variation as well. In fact, the clutch plates also have variation. So I mean, I've never seen a basket where you can see, unless this is deepened so much that the force transfers to the next one and the next one and the next one. But the problem is that because of these grooves, the clutch plates do not get enough room to smoothly traverse, you know. So
नाइस रब्बर पैड का काम होता है ना।
हाँ, रेडी?
सेम सीन 3 बचे ना, हर बार थर्ड में 3 बचते हैं। पावर साइड का चूरा हो
नहीं,
गया।
तेरा 3, हाँ पावर।
ये देखो, ये चूरा हो गया, इसके राइट वाला चूरा हो गया, इसके राइट वाला चूरा हो गया, और ये 2 पोलो थे जो गए, शहीद हो गए, पाउडर हो गया सबका। यही
we are repairing the clutch basket today. This is the mission to fix 3 bikes at least, and all the rubbers are turned to dust, as you can see. And we got this custom made to the correct shore hardness, and we expect the smoothness and performance after this. Has never been before, never experienced on RD350. Yes. So we are going to explore today something really cool, and my friend Jared is capturing this moment with all other friends. We have Captain Sunil here, and we have Praveen, and I have Bhai here as well. So let's do it. First the polos and then the little ones. So the way how it functions, these two dampers are primarily there to absorb the initial engagement vibration and torsional vibration of the crankshaft. The main load bearing rubbers are these. So during acceleration and deceleration, these ones gets compressed, and then the force is transferred through these small dampers. It is, when you put this, you should not hear any metallic clunk. If you are hearing, because what happens that over the period of time, over the period of time this gets compressed. I can see that this shiny surface over here, and this shows the compression. Ideally it should not be compressed. These are dome shaped. It's perfect dome. Like you see here, it's bit rounded, but these ones are flat, and you can see these witness marks over here. These witness marks are this plate actually rubbing against this. Once this goes down, then it's functioning, and इसका primary function भी मैं बता दूँ. Otherwise we are here, I'll take advantage of my nails and I'll show you what it does. By design there is a feature for the misalignment of the clutch, because no matter what you do, the clutch has always got some misalignment, and you can see this is the misalignment. This is to take the misalignment of the shaft, because your two shafts will be doing this all the time, right? So when you rivet this, even after riveting this, you got this play, and this play is for the misalignment, to take up the misalignment. If you jam it somehow, if you jam it completely, then this will be doing this, like it will have a tight spot and a loose spot, just like the chain sprocket. You know, if you put the chain too tight, and then it kind of it grabs it, you know, at some point it will be very tight, and at some point it will be just opposite, it will be very loose. Similarly, this gap is deliberate, so you can hear this. Even in the new basket, this will be there. So the function of this rubber is just to cushion this and make it quiet. This is Jared's basket. We have replaced the rubbers, we put the new one, and we are going to assemble it. It's got 2 polos and 6 of the solids. Because now we are putting it back, that's it. So yes, this is now finished. We have riveted it properly. We have used the hammer. It's like maybe 150 grams, 200 grams hammer. And this is custom made just to support this rivet from the back. And we have hammered it, and it's properly mushroomed. You can't feel any play whatsoever. And it has got the rotational play what you need. That's it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
आ जाएगी, खोलने के लिए 10 मिनट लगेंगे उसको, सब लोग आ जाएंगे. फिर ऑयल प्ले, ये प्लेट ऊपर रखा है ना मैंने.